Finding happiness in every situation. Rohan was a young man who faced a new challenge every day. But he never took his smile off his face. He transformed his life into a new framework where he learned to be happy in every situation. One day, Rohan was working in his office when his boss gave him a new project to handle. Rohan accepted it with joy and started working on it. He put his heart and soul into the project, poring over every detail and ensuring that everything was perfect. As he worked, he felt a sense of purpose and fulfillment that he had never felt before. But then, he realized that his friends had ignored him. They had planned a party without inviting him, and Rohan felt left out. He talked to his friends, but they told him they were busy. Rohan felt hurt and alone, but he refused to let his emotions get the better of him. He reminded himself that being happy in every situation was essential. He took a deep breath, let go of his negative emotions, and focused on the positive aspects of his life. He thought about his supportive family, his wonderful colleagues, and the opportunities he had to make a difference in the world. Rohan decided to take action. He called his friends and explained how he felt. He listened to their perspective and apologized for overreacting. His friends apologized for ignoring him and they made plans to catch up soon. Rohan felt happy and relieved. He realized that being happy in every situation wasn't about avoiding challenges but about facing them head on. He learned to communicate effectively, listen actively, and empathize with others. Another day, Rohan's car broke down. He was on his way to an important meeting and he felt stressed and anxious. But then, he remembered his mantra, being happy in every situation. He took a deep breath, relaxed, and focused on the present moment. He called his mechanic and explained the problem. He listened to the solution and followed the instructions. As he waited for his car to be fixed, he people watched, enjoying the sights and sounds of the world around him. Rohan transformed his life into a new framework where he learned to be happy in every situation. He spent time with his friends, worked with his boss, and fixed his car. He learned to be happy in every situation and transformed his life into a new framework. As Rohan continued on his journey, he encountered more challenges. He faced setbacks, failures, and disappointments. But he never gave up. He kept his mantra in mind, focusing on the positive aspects of every situation. He learned to reframe his thoughts, to see challenges as opportunities for growth. He developed a growth mindset, embracing learning and self improvement. Rohan became a role model for his friends and family, inspiring them to adopt a positive attitude. Years went by, and Rohan's life transformed. He became a successful entrepreneur, a loving partner, and a devoted father. He continued to face challenges, but he never lost his sense of purpose and fulfillment. Rohan's story spread like wildfire, inspiring millions of people around the world. He became a motivational speaker, sharing his message of happiness and positivity. People from all walks of life approached him, seeking advice and guidance. Rohan's response was always the same: being happy in every situation is essential. He encouraged people to focus on the present moment, to let go of negative emotions, and to cultivate a positive mindset. As Rohan looked back on his journey, he felt grateful for the challenges he had faced. He realized that every situation, no matter how difficult, had taught him valuable lessons. He learned to appreciate the beauty of life, to cherish every moment, and to find happiness in every situation. Being happy in every situation is essential. We should transform our lives into a new framework where we are happy in every situation.